Just a day ago, I finished my 1,000 mile, 1,600 kilometer ride, and on the next day, I'm in the hospital. Well, it's not that I'm sick, well, I am, but because the time has come and because I have MS, I have to get fusion into my bloodstream, the most precious infusion, which is about 13,500 cost each every 6 months. So I get Ocrelizumab, or in a short way it's called Ocrevus. So Ocrevus helps me fight MS along the exercises, along the cycling, along all the efforts I'm doing. And I do feel recovery, and MRI scans do show a recovery, although it's deemed uncurable disease. You can just slow it down, you can pause it, but you cannot cure it. Today is a good weather, blue sky. It's a good mood to be home. Well, it's good mood to get the medicine, the treatment when I do need some rest. It's a forceful rest that I'm getting, and that forceful rest will allow me to recover much better, much faster. Because without recovery, I would not be able to continue exercising, and I would not be able to continue doing what I'm doing. So I've done 56 minutes. I still have a few hours more to go, because it's a slow process with this. It's just less than a half done.